Hello good people, this is Jason Urban, aka The Janitor, here bringing you a quick video on how to install Kali Linux onto your Raspberry Pi SD card. The first thing I want you to do is go to https://kali-linux-arm-images. That link will also be in the video description down below. From here, it's as easy as scrolling down and clicking on Raspberry Pi Foundation and selecting the Kali Linux Raspberry Pi for your version. For our class, we have Raspberry Pi 3s and 4s. So go ahead and click on that and let's start the download. As the download's going, open a new tab and let's go to https://www.balena.io/etcher. From here, we're going to go ahead and download the version that's appropriate for our operating system. As you can see here, I have a Mac OS, so I'm going to just download this version. Once that's all done, let's go ahead and open the Balena Etcher application. It's going to ask us to select an image, and from there, just browse to where your Kali Linux download was downloaded. Once we select that image, go ahead and select the target. The target is going to be the USB that has the micro SD card that is plugged into your computer. In my case, mine is disk 6. Hit the flash button. For Mac, I have to type in my password and let the application begin flashing your drive. Once it's complete, take the drive out and you can now put the SD card into your Raspberry Pi, and now you have a fresh copy of Kali Linux on your Raspberry Pi.